So guys, I got this engine all together. Well, mostly together. And I wire wheel this exhaust. It's just gas pipe, cause it comes out of that small, like what, 3/4 inch, maybe half inch. I don't even know. And I go to an inch. I think this is, or inch and a half. It's crazy. And I painted all this black over here. Nice bolts. Head's looking pretty good. Over here, I painted the little adapter for the carb silver. It's still drying. Then this is the frame, and it's coming pretty good. I got some powder coat, so this is gonna be white. Oh, this is gonna be white. This is red. Rims, they're 2-part rims. Those are all gonna be white. They're gonna stay on blasted too.